In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise a support ticket for Dynamics 365 customer service with Microsoft. Whether you're an admin trying to resolve a technical issue or simply need guidance, knowing how to raise a support request efficiently can save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get the help you need. First, open your browser and navigate to either admin.microsoft.com or admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. These are the Microsoft Admin Centers where you can manage your environment and access support options. Make sure you're signed in with the correct admin credentials, since only users with administrative privileges can raise support tickets. Once you're logged in, look to the navigation pane on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Support and then click Help plus Support. This will take you to the Microsoft Support area where you can begin your request. A chat box will appear on the right side of the screen. This is Microsoft's virtual agent. It's designed to help you troubleshoot common issues automatically. You can start by briefly describing your problem, but if you want to speak to a real person, simply type, "I need to speak with a live agent." This tells the system that your issue needs to be escalated beyond automated support. Once your request is escalated, the system will connect you to a live support agent. Depending on how busy Microsoft's support line is, you might wait a few moments before being connected. When the live agent joins, they'll help you create and submit your support ticket. They'll also ask for details about your issue, so be sure to clearly describe what's happening and mention any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. That's it. You've successfully raised a support ticket for Dynamics 365. Your issue will now be tracked and handled directly by Microsoft's support team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes it easier for you to get the help you need for Dynamics 365.